Good morning guys, andito tayo ngayon sa Dachau concentration camp dito sa Munich, Germany. Dito dinadala yung mga political prisoners at dito tinutortured ang mga prisoners galing sa iba't ibang country dito sa Europe. So ayan guys, iikot tayo ngayon. So pupunta ako doon sa crematorium. Yan dito. But it's really yung intact pa yung mga building kasi yung isang concentration camp sa Poland yung pinuntahan ko, ang iba doon ay hindi na masyadong mabisita dahil parang nasisira na yung mga ibang concentration room. Pero dito guys, masyado pang buo yung mga bahay. So abangan nyo guys, bibisita tayo ngayon sa crematorium. So ayan, lalakad tayo. Haba ng lakad ko galing sa entrance. So abangan guys, pupunta tayo ngayon sa concentration camp. Abangan. Good morning guys again. We are now here in Dachau concentration camp here in Munich, Germany. So they bring all the political prisoners here and they tortured most of them and died here in concentration camp. So stay tuned guys. Ciao ciao. On March 22, 1933, the National Socialist regime opened a concentration camp on the ground of the disused Royal Bavarian powder and ammunition factory in Dachau. The place of detention and terror existed for 12 years. More than 200,000 prisoners from over 40 nations were interned in the Dachau camp and its subcamps. At least 41,500 people died. Therefore, from starvation, disease, torture as a result of their deportation or were murdered. Ils sont déjà mortes.
Oui, et après pour... Oui, on les tuait pas comme ça, on les tuait avec les tortures.
Oui.
Ou avec les gaz.
Oh là là.
Après...
Ito yung room na bago ipasok sila sa concentration room, hinuhubaran muna sila tapos pinapaliguan. Pero yung ililigo nila ay gasolina tapos saka sila susunugin dyan. Tapos ilalabas sila dyan sa yan na room na yan. Yan yung shower room. Pero yung pinaka-shower nila ay lahat ay gas. Sa gas chamber. Ayan, alam mo na, nakakatakot at saka parang pakiramdam ko, emotional ako sa mga nangyayari sa mga tao ng gera. So here this is the gas room, gas chamber. And tsaka nilalagay dyan mga 200 katao, 300 katao. Hinuhubaran silang lahat para sabi sa kanila magsha-shower sila. Pero hindi totoo na shower. Talagang ang isa-shower nila ay gasolina. Tapos pagkatapos mag-shower, tsaka sila susunugin. This is where the dead were to be brought before they were cremated. So after na sinunog silang lahat, ilalagay ulit sila dyan sa crematorium para susunugin ulit sila bago sila ilabas na powder na lang. Kasi sa dami ba naman, mass murder to eh. concentration camp dito sa crematorium. Tapos pag nasunog na sila, dito tinatapon yung mga ash dyan sa garden nila. Kasi guys, yung asawa ko, yung ninong niya na nakulong dito, pero nakauwi dahil sa liberation ng Russian at American na mga sundalo. So yung ibang mga preso, ayaw nila ng tinutortured sila. Tumatakbo na lang sila sa field para barilin sila, para mamatay na lang sila kaysa itortured sila araw-araw. Tapos dadalhin ang kanilang katawan dito sa crematorium at susunugin sila. Ang iba buhay pa, pahuhubaran ng damit, tapos ilalagay sa gas chamber. Tapos namamatay sila sa usok ng acid. Tapos i-cremate na sila at itatapon. Sa likod ko yan yung tinatapunan ng mga nasunog na katawan. Dito ang mga ashes tinatapon dyan. Kasi biro mo, 150 katao araw-araw ang sinusunog nila at namamatay na natutortured dito sa concentration camp. Thanks to the initiative of the survivors who had joined together in 1955 in the International Committee of Dachau, the former prison camp was transformed into a place of memory and remembrance in May 1964. The Dachau Camp Memorial was inaugurated with the first documentary exhibition. In 2003, the Bavarian government entrusted the management of the Dachau Concentration Camp Memorial and the Flossenburg Concentration Camp Memorial to the newly founded Bavarian Memorials Foundation. The foundation mission is to preserve and design the memorials as place of learning and remembrance for the future generation. The purpose of the Dachau Camp Memorial is, even today, to commemorate the suffering and death of the prisoners and to encourage reflection on National Socialist crimes. Thank you guys for watching and my sad film. Thank you so much. See you on my next travel vlog.